Hi, Dr. Paul Fisher with Gold Coast Chiropractic, and for our second video today I want to talk about some of the things that we do to help treat migraines. So as we spoke about in the last video, a lot of the issues having to do with migraines come from the cervical spine and the lack of curve there. So making sure that we're properly rehabilitating that and treating that is a huge aspect. As a chiropractor, the adjustment I know is extremely valuable to restore normal motion, take pressure off the nerves, get things moving the way that they're supposed to, decrease pain. But we also understand that we've got to rehabilitate the curve itself, the muscles, the ligaments, so that it supports the adjustment. One of the ways that we do that is with in-office rehabilitation. One of the things we use is the power plate therapy. Now, what this is whole body vibration. And effectively what this does is it makes your body work harder to get the same outcome. So a lot of what we do in the office is exercises to improve the curve like this we have you doing on the power plate. Also stretches to restore normal motion. But we're also, for some patients that have ligament damage and have had long-standing issues, especially patients who are extremely flexible, we do body weighting that will actually place a body weight on the head depending on where it's appropriate, and then your body effectively readjusts on its own to correct the curve. The results with this have been phenomenal in patients that it's called for. We actually see an almost perfect curve when we do the stress test. And so that's one of the things that we do to really help treat patients. We've got to make sure that we're rehabilitating the curve, protecting it, the adjustment, to really make sure that this is a long-term correction. Many times patients have migraines that are a result of a trauma, even a trauma that goes all the way back to childhood. When that happens, it causes long-term damage to the curve. That adjustments absolutely help, but you need to continue to rehabilitate the body so that it can heal itself. When we talk about the curve, when you lose that curve, if you think about you're holding a bowling ball like this, you can hold it fairly well for probably quite a while. When you extend it out there, it gets a lot heavier on your arms. It's harder to hold up for longer. And also, those ligaments get stretched out. They don't do what they're supposed to. It continues to add and gets worse and worse and worse. What we want to do is restore the normal curve so that those ligaments are able to heal. They're able to grow back as much as possible. Unfortunately, you'll never have a textbook perfect spine again. But if we can restore that to some semblance of what normal is, the change in symptoms can be, well, life-changing. Again, I'm Dr. Paul Fisher with Gold Coast Chiropractic. Thanks and have a nice day.